My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below, but this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I've built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you, and now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
So I have two clients that have their own separate GoHighLevel instances, and I'm just trying to figure out a way that I can easily take everything they already built, because like they have websites already listed on their own GoHighLevel. They have a ton of resources, automations, the client list, the whole nine yards already. Is there an easy way for them to kind of merge into my own? And so that's like, oh, I don't even know where to start with that.
They already use GoHighLevel.
Yeah, like they got fleeced by another agency. They were like charging them out the door, and then I was telling them like, "Yo, like you're already my client. It would be easier if you didn't have to pay that subscription. I'll bake it into the fee of what I charge you monthly already. That way, also my team and I can also use my own instance instead of having to add them all my team into them as a staff member." So yeah,
Mm.
it's kind of complex. I feel like.
Um, yes, it can be done. It's just dependent on if the other agency will release that information. Like, so the other agency can obviously snapshot everything that they're currently using inside of the other agency's sub account, and you could transfer it over that way, but the agency owner who's over that account has to be the one to create the snapshot. And so if they're not willing to do that, you still could copy it over, but it'd be manual. You'd have to look at the one sub account that they're currently using under the other agency and basically kind of like rebuild by hand almost the automations and the websites. And the websites can actually be cloned now without a snapshot. So that part would be easy if they've already got a website that they want to clone over. You can do that. There's one called GoHighLevel Cloner, GHL Cloner. You just have to pay like a few bucks. It's like $1 or something per page that you clone. So it's not very expensive. You can get everything cloned there. The automations, those would be pretty simple. You just like would look at how they flow and then you'd rebuild them in the new sub account under your agency. Calendars, if they're using that kind of system, staff members, you'd have to re-add. There's no perfect way to do it, but if the agency they're under is willing, you can actually get the whole everything intact ported over to another agency if the agency is willing to do that. Some agencies obviously won't do that because they don't want to lose their client. So I don't know. Those are your options pretty much.
Yeah, that sounds pretty good.
If you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.